Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nanno. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to crochet fast and easy adorable patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet fast and easy for beginners blanket. First, you need your selected yarn. I will use BAMBER chunky yarn. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 6.5 millimeters crochet hook. Measuring tape, scissors and yarn needle. Take the yarn and make a slip knot with any method as you like. Then chain multiples of 2 as you like for your selected blanket size. Then measure your chains for your selected blanket size like this. You can use a plastic crochet hook. After you finish your chains, yarn over, skip the first chain from the hook. In the next chain, insert your hook like this and yarn over again and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Now you have finished the first half double crochet stitch. Then chain 1, repeat, skip the next chain, skip 1 chain, and in the next chain yarn over and insert your hook and yarn over again. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Repeat like this. Then chain 1, repeat this, yarn over, skip 1 chain stitch. In the next stitch, insert your hook and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Repeat this. and chain 1. After you finish all chain stitches, yarn over. In the last you'll find 2 chains. Skip 1 in the last chain stitch, insert your hook and yarn over to make 1 half double crochet stitch to finish the first row. After you finish the first row, chain 1 and turn your work. Now in the first chain space, make 1 half double crochet stitch. Then chain 1, repeat in the next chain space, make 1 half double crochet stitch, then chain 1, repeat this to finish the second row. After you finish all chain 1 spaces, chain 1, in the last chain 1 space, after the last half double crochet stitch like this, make 1 half double crochet stitch, to finish the second row. Now repeat the second row. You can play with colors as you like. To join another color, skip a piece of yarn, then make a slip knot. Don't remove your hook. Like this. Then pull through to make 1 chain stitch. Turn your work and repeat the second row. First make 1 half double crochet stitch in the first chain space, then chain 1, repeat this, Repeat and measure for your selected blanket size. Finish the last row. Then chain 1, cut the yarn, skip a piece of yarn, and pull through the yarn. Now you have finished. Now start to make a fringe. Select your size, cut the yarn. You can make it in the double. Save time and make fringe like this. Put the fringe in every row. You can make the fringe in the single piece of yarn and fold it in the double like this. In this way, the fringe will be short. I love this method. Repeat this to finish your blanket. Fasten off your blanket. Fold your blanket to be ready. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me big thumbs up. To see more, see you. Bye bye.